Welcome to Golden Locks, a legacy of 35 years in crafting excellence. Pioneers in the door hardware industry, we redefine elegance one detail at a time. With over 30 premium finishes, Golden Locks offers an unmatched variety to fulfill all your design needs, complementing your home with timeless sophistication. From meticulous sand casting, precision forging, and expert detailing, we ensure that every product is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Inspired by art and architecture, every design begins as a story. From traditional wooden patterns to modern 3D prints, we bring ideas to life. The result? Finished products that blend durability, design, and distinction, setting benchmarks in architectural hardware. Our collection goes beyond door hardware. From railings to decorative lighting, curtain fittings, and architectural elements, every piece is designed to complement the other, creating harmony across your space. Golden Locks, where legacy meets luxury, transforming spaces one masterpiece at a time.